We have here addition and subtraction algebraic fractions. We know that when we have to add or subtract algebraic fractions, we need to have the same denominator. So first let's check if we can factorize something in denominator, because we have here 2 and 2t, so we can factorize 2 and we will have 1 plus t. Next, numerator will copy and we have t squared plus 2t plus 1. So this is square of sum. So we can write that this is 1 plus t to second power. Let me remind this formula. When we have a plus b to second power, this is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. A is equal 1 and b is equal t in our example. And as I use this expression, we have this side and we go to that side in our denominator. And we have minus 5 over 4 I can factorize, so will be 1 plus t. So now we see that in every expression, every denominator, we have 1 plus t, 1 plus t and 1 plus t. So we have to choose 1 plus t with the highest power, when we have to have the common denominator, so it will be 1 plus t to second power, and now we have 2 and 4, so the least common denominator for 4 and 2 is 4. So now let's check our first denominator. We have 2 only and now we have 4, so we have to multiply by 2 numerator and denominator, and we have 1 plus t, and now we have 1 plus t to second power, so we have to multiply also by 1 plus t. So now we will have 3 times 2 is 6, 6 times 1 plus t, we have to multiply, and we have plus. Next we have to have the same denominator, and now we check what we have here. We have 1 plus t to second power only, so we have to multiply times 4 numerator and denominator. So now we have 1 times 4 is 4, and we have minus, and that denominator is exactly almost the same, because we don't have square here, so it means we have to multiply this denominator by 1 plus t. So numerator we have to multiply 2. So now we have 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times t is 5t. So this is equal. Now when we have the same denominators, we can put one fraction bar, copy denominator, and we have 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times t is 6t. Next we have plus 4, and next we have minus. Because we have minus before this whole expression, we have to put in parentheses this 5 plus 5t. So this is equal. Denominator we have to copy, and we can combine the like terms. 6 plus 4 is 10, we have plus 60, and now we have to change the sign. When we have positive here 5, so negative and positive give me negative 5, and negative and positive negative 5t. So this is equal. Again we have to combine the like terms. 10 minus 5 is 5, 60 minus 5t is t, over 4 times 1 plus t to second power. So this is my solution.